Bones aren't made of calcium. Definitely not calcium supplements.
Doctors won't tell you this, but your calcium supplement could be doing more harm than good. Here's what you should be eating instead. Think bones are just made of calcium? Think again. Bones contain over 70 essential minerals, and relying solely on calcium supplements can actually weaken them. If you want strong bones and pain-free joints, you need the right foods, natural remedies, and lifestyle changes. In this video, we'll uncover the best ways to naturally rebuild and protect your bones without harmful medications. From nutrient-rich foods to simple exercises, you'll learn how to keep your bones strong and joints flexible for life. Let's get started. But before we dive in, I'm curious about you. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments, and feel free to ask any questions you might have for me. Now, let's dive in. What are bones made of? Many people assume bones are composed primarily of calcium, but in reality, they contain 12 essential minerals and 64 trace elements that contribute to their strength, flexibility, and resilience. These essential minerals include calcium, the most well-known mineral for bone health, providing structure and strength. Chromium plays a role in glucose metabolism, indirectly supporting bone function. Boron enhances calcium absorption and helps prevent osteoporosis. Iron, essential for collagen synthesis, which contributes to bone structure. Magnesium helps regulate calcium levels and improves bone density. Manganese supports bone formation by activating enzymes essential for bone metabolism. Silica promotes collagen production, keeping bones flexible and strong. Sulfur, necessary for collagen synthesis, which keeps bones and joints healthy. Selenium has antioxidant properties that protect bone cells from damage. Potassium helps neutralize acid levels in the body, preventing calcium loss from bones. Phosphorus works alongside calcium to build and maintain strong bones. Zinc plays a crucial role in bone tissue formation and repair. Although calcium is a significant component of bones, supplementing with calcium alone does not guarantee strong bones. According to Dr. Robert Thompson, author of The Calcium Lie, calcium supplements can actually deplete calcium from bones rather than strengthening them. Excess calcium intake can accumulate in arteries, kidneys, and other tissues, increasing the risk of kidney stones, arterial plaque, and gallstones. Instead of relying on calcium supplements, it's essential to consume a balanced mix of minerals from natural food sources. Comment, strong bones need more than just calcium, if you found this surprising. Number 1, sea salt, a natural source of essential minerals. A natural and effective way to replenish the body's essential minerals is by consuming unprocessed sea salt, such as Celtic salt or Himalayan salt. These types of salt contain a mineral balance similar to that of human bones, making them an excellent alternative to processed table salt, which lacks essential nutrients. Sea salt contains trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which help maintain proper pH balance in the body, support nerve function, and contribute to bone strength. Dr. Robert Thompson recommends placing a small crystal of salt in your mouth, chewing it slightly, and drinking a glass of water. Doing this 8 times a day ensures optimal mineral absorption and supports bone density over time. Additionally, sea salt promotes better hydration by enhancing the body's ability to retain fluids, preventing electrolyte imbalances that can weaken bones. Including high-quality sea salt in your diet can help replenish lost minerals and contribute to long-term bone health. Number 2, dark green leafy vegetables, nature's bone builders. Dark green leafy vegetables are some of the most nutrient-dense foods available, packed with calcium, magnesium, and other essential minerals that play a vital role in bone formation and overall skeletal health. Unlike calcium supplements, which may not always be absorbed efficiently by the body, the minerals found in leafy greens are highly bioavailable, ensuring they are effectively utilised to strengthen bones and joints. Regular consumption of these vegetables can help prevent bone loss, reduce the risk of fractures, and improve joint flexibility. Some of the best dark green leafy vegetables for bone health include high in calcium, magnesium and vitamin K, all of which contribute to bone strength and mineralisation. Collard greens, a rich source of vitamin K, which supports bone mineralisation and helps maintain proper bone density. Swiss chard, loaded with magnesium, an essential mineral that plays a key role in regulating calcium balance within the bones. Kale, a powerhouse of calcium, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that contribute to strong bones and reduce joint pain. For maximum nutrient intake, choose organic leafy greens whenever possible. Organic vegetables tend to have a higher concentration of minerals due to the presence of beneficial soil microbes. These microbes extract minerals from the soil and transfer them into the plants, increasing their nutritional value. Cooking leafy greens does not destroy their mineral content, making them a versatile addition to a healthy diet. However, avoid discarding the cooking water, as it contains valuable nutrients that can be used in soups or broths to maximize mineral intake. Additionally, consuming these greens with healthy fats such as olive oil or avocado can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin K, further supporting bone health. Number 3, sesame seeds, a calcium powerhouse. Sesame seeds are one of the richest natural sources of calcium, making them an excellent addition to a bone-strengthening diet. They also contain essential minerals like magnesium, phosphorus and zinc, all of which contribute to bone formation and density. Unlike calcium supplements, which may not always be effectively absorbed by the body, the calcium found in sesame seeds is in a naturally balanced form, ensuring better absorption and utilization. One of the best ways to consume sesame seeds is in the form of tahini, sesame seed paste. Tahini can be used as a spread, incorporated into smoothies, or mixed with lemon juice and crushed garlic to create a nutritious and flavourful dressing. Adding sesame seeds to salads, yogurt or homemade energy bars is another easy way to boost calcium intake. In addition to their calcium content, sesame seeds provide vitamin K, which supports bone mineralization and helps reduce the risk of fractures. This makes them particularly beneficial for maintaining strong and healthy bones as we age. While raw sesame seeds are highly nutritious, lightly toasting them can enhance their flavour and improve digestion by breaking down phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that can interfere with mineral absorption. Including sesame seeds in your daily diet is a simple yet effective way to support bone health naturally. Number 4, chickpeas, strengthening bones and joints. Chickpeas are an excellent plant-based source of calcium, magnesium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These minerals work together to promote bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Chickpeas also provide zinc and vitamin K, both of which play a crucial role in bone health by supporting bone mineralization and enhancing calcium absorption. Beyond their benefits for bones, chickpeas possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can support joint health by reducing inflammation and promoting tissue repair. This makes them particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from arthritis or joint discomfort. Additionally, chickpeas are rich in plant-based protein, which aids in muscle strength and provides the necessary building blocks for overall skeletal support. Incorporating chickpeas into your diet is easy. Add them to salads, soups, stews, or blend them into hummus for a delicious and nutritious snack. Their versatility and nutrient density make them a valuable addition to a bone-supporting diet. Number 5, dried figs, a nutrient-dense bone booster. Dried figs are a natural powerhouse of essential minerals, including calcium, magnesium, potassium and phosphorus, all of which play crucial roles in bone formation and maintaining mineral balance. These nutrients work together to support bone density, reduce the risk of fractures, and promote overall skeletal health. In addition to their mineral content, dried figs provide vitamin K, which aids in bone mineralization by helping calcium bind to the bone matrix, reducing the likelihood of fractures. Their high fibre content also contributes to better digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring that essential bone strengthening minerals are effectively utilised by the body. Eating dried figs regularly can help maintain strong bones and prevent age bone loss. They make for a convenient and delicious snack. Can be added to oatmeal, yogurt or salads and serve as a natural sweetener in baked goods, making them an excellent addition to a bone-friendly diet. Comment strong bones start with the right foods. If you're adding these to your diet, how to get vitamin D naturally for strong bones. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, making it a crucial nutrient for bone health. Without adequate vitamin D, the body struggles to absorb calcium efficiently, leading to weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures. The best natural source of vitamin D is sunlight, as the body synthesizes vitamin D3 when ultraviolet (UV) rays interact with cholesterol in the skin. This process is vital for maintaining optimal bone density and preventing conditions such as osteoporosis. To optimize vitamin D levels and promote strong bones, follow these key steps. Expose your skin to sunlight daily. Aim for at least 10 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight exposure on bare skin, such as the arms, face, or legs, preferably during midday when UV rays are strongest. People with darker skin tones may require more sun exposure to produce adequate vitamin D. Avoid using soap immediately after sun exposure. Vitamin D synthesis takes approximately 2 hours to fully develop within the skin's oils. Washing with soap too soon may remove these oils before vitamin D is absorbed into the bloodstream. Do not take hot showers right after sun exposure. Hot showers and excessive scrubbing can strip the skin of natural oils, potentially reducing the amount of vitamin D that gets absorbed. Consume vitamin D-rich foods. While sunlight is the primary source, foods such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel and sardines, egg yolks and fortified dairy products can help supplement vitamin D intake, especially for those who have limited sun exposure. Consider vitamin D supplements if needed. In cases of insufficient sunlight exposure due to location, lifestyle or season, a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement may be beneficial. Consult a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage based on your individual needs. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels is essential for overall bone strength and longevity. By combining safe sun exposure with a nutrient-rich diet, you can support your skeletal system and maintain healthy, resilient bones throughout life. Comment soaking up the sun for strong bones if you're getting a daily dose of vitamin D. Best exercise for bone and joint health. One of the most effective exercises for improving bone density and joint strength is rebounding, which involves using a mini trampoline. This low-impact activity not only strengthens bones by applying controlled pressure, but also stimulates the lymphatic system, which helps remove toxins from the body and supports overall immune function. Rebounding is particularly beneficial because it involves defying gravity, which signals the bones to become denser. Unlike high-impact exercises that may strain the joints, rebounding provides a gentle yet powerful way to enhance bone health. Additionally, it supports muscle engagement, balance and coordination, all of which are essential for preventing falls and fractures as we age. The calf muscles play a crucial role in circulation, acting as a second heart by helping pump blood back toward the heart. Rebounding activates the calf muscles, improving circulation, reducing the risk of varicose veins, and promoting cardiovascular health. Even a few minutes of gentle bouncing daily can stimulate bone growth, enhance joint flexibility, and improve overall mobility. Incorporating rebounding into a daily routine can provide long-term benefits for both bone and joint health, making it a highly effective and enjoyable way to maintain a strong skeletal system. Comment bounce for stronger bones. If you're ready to try rebounding for better bone and joint health, foods to avoid for better bone health. Certain foods can weaken bones by depleting calcium and essential minerals, leading to reduced bone density over time. Eliminating or minimizing these foods in your diet can significantly support bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Refined carbohydrates, white bread, pastries, sugary foods. These highly processed foods contribute to an acidic environment in the body, forcing it to draw calcium from bones to restore balance. Over time, this process weakens the skeletal system. Caffeine, coffee, energy drinks, sodas. Excessive caffeine consumption interferes with calcium absorption and increases calcium excretion through urine, making bones more susceptible to fractures. Dairy products, milk, cheese. While dairy is often promoted as a calcium-rich food, its high acid-forming properties may contribute to calcium loss rather than retention, particularly when consumed in excess. Animal protein, red meat, poultry. High-protein diets generate acidic byproducts during digestion, requiring calcium to neutralize them. This ongoing process can lead to calcium depletion from the bones, accelerating bone loss over time. By reducing the intake of these foods and focusing on a diet rich in whole plant-based foods, individuals can better preserve their bone density and overall skeletal health. Comment bye-bye bone breakers if you're cutting back on these foods for stronger bones. Overnight remedy for joints, bones and muscles. For natural joint pain relief, a combination of turmeric, ginger and comfrey root poultices can be highly effective. Turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and consuming high doses, around 6,000 milligrams daily, can significantly reduce pain and stiffness. Ginger, another potent anti-inflammatory agent, can be applied as a poultice directly onto swollen or painful joints to alleviate discomfort and improve mobility. Comfrey root, often called knit bone, has been traditionally used to promote tissue regeneration and support bone healing. Creating a poultice from grated comfrey root and applying it to the affected area for several hours can accelerate the healing process and provide pain relief. By incorporating these natural remedies, making dietary changes, and engaging in regular weight-bearing exercises, you can strengthen your bones and joints naturally, preventing potential issues before they develop. Comment natural healing power if you love the idea of using turmeric, ginger and comfrey root for joint and bone health. Strong, healthy bones and joints are the foundation of a vibrant, active life. By incorporating the right foods, essential minerals and natural remedies into your daily routine, you can protect your skeletal system and stay pain-free for years to come. Remember, it's not just about calcium. Your bones need a variety of nutrients to stay strong and resilient. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What was the most surprising thing you learned in this video? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with more health tips. And if you know someone who could benefit from this information, be sure to send it their way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.